Every day, in plants like yours, workers are sandblasting and high-pressure water blasting all kinds of surfaces to get them ready for inspection, coating, or some other type of maintenance. The problem is, it's dangerous, messy, expensive work. But now there's a better way. Introducing Vapor Blast from USA DeBusk. It makes surface preparation safer, cleaner, faster, and more economical than ever before. Vapor Blast works by mixing abrasive media with water, direct injecting it under hydraulic pressure into an airstream, and discharging it as a vapor. Vapor Blast combines the best parts of both abrasive blasting and water washing, but without all the mess, hazards, and waste. Vapor Blast is ideal for all kinds of surface preparation, including corrosion under insulation. It achieves the 3.5 profile needed for most paints and coatings. You can even add an environmentally safe chemical inhibitor to prevent flash rust as it cleans. It polishes surfaces to bare metal and prepares them for maintenance or coating. Vapor Blast media is silica-free. Different grain sizes can be specified to achieve better cleaning on surfaces with harder scales. Special media can also be used to clean soft metals without damaging surfaces. Here's why Vapor Blast is a better choice for all your surface prep. Vapor Blast is safer, not only for the crew, but for other contractors and plant personnel working nearby. There's no cloud of hazardous particles and no dangerous high-pressure water. Technicians need only light PPE. It's easy to operate, so there's less chance for strain and fatigue. Vapor Blast is also your most efficient option, saving you both time and money. It achieves the same or better productivity, but with 90% less abrasive than sandblasting and only a fraction of the water required for hydroblasting. For a typical project, Vapor Blast reduces your consumables costs by 50%. With far less waste, cleanup is faster, standby time is reduced, and you spend less for disposal. Vapor Blast also gives you logistical advantages on the job site. The equipment is compact and highly mobile, so it's ideal for even the most congested, hard-to-reach areas in your plant. It provides the same effective cleaning power up to 275 feet from the pumping unit. Containment requirements are minimal, and there's no need for protective barriers, so setup is quick and easy. With no hazardous dust cloud and no danger zone for high-pressure water, Vapor Blast won't interfere with other contractor trades nearby. Now there's a better solution for all the surface preparation in your plant. Imagine the difference Vapor Blast will make in safety, productivity, and savings.